Welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are making a smoky salsa. And it's a little more work than just throwing a few ingredients into a blender, but trust me, it's worth it. So let's get started. You will need 1.5 pounds of grape tomatoes, olive oil, 1 large sweet onion, 1 shallot, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of smoked salt, and the secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Wash your tomatoes, slice them in half, and set them aside. Add oil to a skillet over medium-high heat. Add your onions and shallots and salt. Add your paprika, stir, and continue to saute until the vegetables become translucent. Add your tomatoes and balsamic vinegar and then simmer for 20 minutes. Then stir in your brown sugar and simmer for 20 minutes more. Pulse in a blender and then pour it in a container. Then just chill this in the fridge and you will have a smoky, spicy salsa with just a tiny little hint of sweetness. It's so good. It's great on burgers. It's great on tacos and chips, and dip your fries in it. You can use it for anything. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time here at home with Anita Rosner.